Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. If you clicked on this video, you are interested in how I achieve my detachable ponytails, my detachable units. Yes, I have detachable ponytails in my archives that I keep for rainy days. Okay, if I need to go somewhere quick and I want to throw on a ponytail but add some inches, this is what I use. Okay, if you watch my Slick Sleek Ponytail video, you'll see in that video one of the ponytails that I created. Go ahead and stay tuned and watch these next clips. Okay guys, so here's what you'll need. You'll need a styrofoam head, thread, needle, a hair tie, hairnet, scissors, T-pins. This is to stick into the styrofoam head, in either bobby pins or hairpins, whichever you like. Also guys, you'll need some hair, your hair of choice. Forgot to mention that. That's a major key. And as long as it is weft hair. You can also do this with crochet hair if you want, but I'm going to show you how I do it with the weft hair. Okay guys, so to get started, you want to put your natural hair in a ponytail, and then you want to take your hair net, wrap the hair net around the base of your ponytail to take a measurement to see how wide you want this net to be. And then go ahead and add 2 inches to that so that you have space when you're sewing the weft onto this net, because this net will start to bunch up. So you just want to give yourself a little extra room just in case. Now, as far as the length, that's all up to you, and you want to keep it a little bit longer than your hair. If you have short hair, that's perfect for you. If you have a longer length of hair, then you may be able to braid your natural hair into a braid and curl it or fold it in half, and then like wrap some rubber bands around your braid so that your braid stays in place when you put this ponytail, when you put the fake ponytail on your natural ponytail. But yeah, just make sure this is long enough to cover your natural hair. That's really what you want to do. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I sew it on. Okay, so I already have a track sewn onto the net. So your whole purpose is to make sure your hair can fit inside this hole once we fold the ponytail together and sew it, right? So just make sure that whatever you do, your natural hair can fit through that. Okay, so when sewing this, you want to make sure your weft is flat and straight. So let me show you. I'm going to actually go maybe a couple of rows up above this, stick my needle through here just like that. And when you're sewing this, you do not want to pull your thread tight, because that's going to cause bunching, and you don't want the net to bunch. Okay, now I just stuck my needle through the hair weft, and I'm going to pull it so that it lays flat. Major tip, do not over pull this because it will bunch. And then you want to begin to sew. Make sure that when you're sewing, you stay in a row right above where you lay the weft, because you don't want to go too high or be too messy with this. Like say if you grab a net all the way from up here, it's going to cause it to bunch. So you want to stay as close as possible to where you actually laid the track. And also guys, you want to make sure that your stitches are close together. That way you'll get the security that you need without causing the bunching. Then when I get to the end, I'm just going to stick the needle through the weft. I'm going to tie that off. And you want to do that all the way till you get to your top row. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, but I went ahead and finished the top track. And when you get to the top track, you want to do the same thing, stitch close together, and you want to leave a small space between the row before it and the top track, because the way you attach your the hair, the fake ponytail to your natural hair is you use a bobby pin or hairpin to stick it through that first row. All right, so now that we have finished sewing all of the hair onto the net, I'm just going to remove this. And this is what it's looking like after I finished sewing it. I didn't put too many tracks on here because I'm really just making this for the purpose of this video. Now what you want to do is cut all the excess net off of all 4 sides. So I'm going to do that right now. So this is what we're looking like so far. Okay guys, so I know you see the elastic band that I added at the top, but go ahead and disregard that because I actually didn't need that step. Now I'm going to sew up the sides of the ponytail together. Just make like a little. Boom. Now okay, so right now this ponytail that I created is loose. So if your ponytail was slick and more tight on your head, it's gonna look better. Right now, I'm just showing you how to secure it. So what you do is you take the bobby pin, you stick it into that track, and you pin it down under your ponytail holder. That's how you're gonna keep the hair from coming off. And you wanna do about 3 of these. I'm gonna do one more. All right. Okay, and then you just finish up your ponytail. So you just take a piece of hair like you would normally do, and you wrap it around the base. Just like this. And then I'm gonna take that loose piece, take another bobby pin, and I'm just gonna pin that down to my hair. And voila. Oh, hold on. You wanna unbraid this. Yeah guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, like seriously, hopefully I hope this was easy for you guys to follow. If you have any questions, as always, leave your questions down in the comment section, and thank you guys for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.